Anthropic have donated the MCP the Model Context Protocol to Linux. I don't know what to make of this, to be honest, whether this is like a last ditch effort to be like, just can you sort this mess out for us? But it's definitely something they've made some notable improvements on the last few weeks with the tool search tool, things like that. But there's definitely a very, very divisive, the ambitions of MCP, if you don't know what they are, it's a natural language wrapper for APIs. So if you want to update a database, you don't have to like send it a JSON bit of code and all this. You just say update the name and address to this, and it will figure out everything it needs to do to interact with that API. But yeah, celebrating all this success all the way down to the Linux Foundation. It's a new Agentic AI foundation that has actually been started by Anthropic, Block, OpenAI with support from Google, Microsoft, and AWS and Bloomberg. Bit of a random one there. And yeah, they've sort of donated it to. It's basically in essence open source now, and they'll look after it. And the Agentic Artificial Intelligence Foundation will join by Goose and the Agents.MD. I love Agents.MD. I wish Claude Code would adopt Agents.MD. It's just a standardized format to give your AI agent certain rules. And so we'll see whether they make whether the community can kind of fix it or help it, or whether some people outside of Claude's little weird bubble that they have can sort of breathe some life into it. But I think a lot of devs are really reconsidering MCPs just because they're just a pain in the ass to manage.
How does this work? Like, the foundation accepts this, obviously. Like, you can't just say, okay, I have this trash, I'm donating it to you, right? So there has been talks, and the foundation has to accept it. And like, do they have to give like any assurance on if they will continue developing it, if they will continue supporting and things like this? What if there are like, I don't understand how that part works. On the same note, essentially, what does it mean? What does this mean for the MCP protocol if the Linux is taking it in the foundation? Does it mean that they believe in it, right? That to me signals something more important than the whole thing, potentially. If they believe in it and they think this is the future, that might be interesting to talk about. Yeah,
potentially. I mean, at the end of the day, this means that the community will be able to drive the progress of the protocol, right? And it gives it a platform in which to be able to support that. Maybe it's funding it, money being brought in by the because it's probably a charity or something. It's yet to be seen what comes out of this, and it's yet to be seen exactly why they have donated and why they've accepted it, why the AI Foundation have accepted it. It's an interesting move. I think it's a positive move, because it felt like there were 3 weeks last week where every week we had some sort of update, some sort of blog post, some sort of admittance to like the difficulty of MCP. So it's in a bit of a weird spot. But it basically piggybacks tool use, right? So by definitions, AIs or when you call an AI, you can give it a bunch of tools that it can use. The simplest one is for it to be able to tell the time. Because an AI does not know what the date and time is. So you give it the tools to be able to do that, gives it extra capabilities. MCPs are an extension off of that idea for them to be able to call live data. It's that API aspect to it. So the idea is certainly good, and more AIs are getting trained on tool use. It's just whether MCP is the best way to do it. I don't know. I've got MCPs running all of the time, but there are times where again I switch them on and I accidentally leave them on, and then I restart a new session and then they're all turned on again. It's like, fuck's sake. I did it today. I was like, damn, I'm like trying to work and it kept on like compacting my conversation. I was like, why is this compacting the conversation all the time? /MCP, all of my MCPs are turned on. It's like, Jesus. So I turned a bunch of them off. So yeah, definitely And I want to try and use skills. I want to try and leverage skills. But anyway, MCPs. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.